Over a year ago, I was approached by the owner of a company called ThinkFit. They already had this functional fitness device called SmartBells, and he was looking for someone new to run the company. He thought I'd be a good candidate because I worked in the health club industry and had been a competitive bodybuilder. At first I was skeptical, but SmartBells actually changed the way I viewed exercise. Most exercise equipment doesn't prepare people for real life. It's the chasing the kids, taking groceries out of the trunk of the car, or even swinging a golf club that sends us to the physical therapist or the chiropractor. I found that the SmartBells design and its rotational movements were a completely new way to do whole body workouts that were super effective and low impact. And I liked that they were portable. I could work out anywhere. I saw joining ThinkFit as my chance to really make a difference in people's lives. The struggle with SmartBells, and in fact the problem with most exercise devices, is that you need instruction to use them properly. This is where most exercise programs fail, because once you've followed the same DVD workout for the 1,000th time, you just get bored, and it's incredibly hard to stay motivated. I knew there had to be a better way, but I also knew that I couldn't do it alone.
My company, Presto, was looking for our next big challenge, and we had already decided that we wanted our next product to help people get in better shape. So when Dave and I started talking about making exercise approachable, enjoyable, and motivational, we went all in. We looked at dozens of fitness programs on DVDs, websites, and mobile apps. We also looked at devices like electronic bracelets and pedometers that tracked and displayed movements. They were all just providing pieces of the puzzle. So we asked ourselves, what could we create that would give you a great workout, guide you, provide real-time feedback, track workouts over time, and be fun? I can't tell you how excited we are to be here on Indiegogo with a product that will change the way people get and stay fit. This is SmartBells Genius.
I've been in gyms my whole life. I've seen the fitness industry come out with fad after fad, gadget after gadget, all promising you bikini bodies and six-pack abs. I am sick and tired of it, and it's time to draw a line in the sand. We've designed SmartBells Genius for real people who know they need to exercise to feel good and to be able to keep doing the things that they like to do. We talked to people in gyms, and we talked to people who would never go to a gym. We found that what they really wanted were three things: not to be intimidated by the health club scene, they wanted to be told what to do, and most of all, they didn't want to be bored. They just want exercise and fitness to be another fun part of life without being forced to go to a gym, watch the same DVD again, or figure out how to use another expensive and complicated machine.
So we challenged our teams at ThinkFit and Presto to create something new, something with a user experience that people would love without needing to know any of the technologies that were behind it. Something that was very personal, but also something that was very freeing.
After multiple design iterations, prototypes, and user testing, we are proud to bring SmartBells Genius here to the Indiegogo community. Genius uses the power of your smartphone or iPod Touch to bring you hundreds of workout videos from personal trainers in dozens of different categories. Strength training, weight loss, yoga, Pilates, aerobics, and especially to work your core. And we're even working on specific workouts for sports like golf, baseball, and tennis.
But the reason we call it Genius is because it does something that no other functional fitness device does. SmartBells Genius senses your motions as you watch the workout video and gives you real-time feedback of what you're doing relative to the trainer's workout. It then records your workout data and presents it back to you with the amount of calories burned and your Genius points earned.
That's our vision, and that's just the beginning.
But we need the help of you and the Indiegogo community to make SmartBells Genius a reality.
We've already got the SmartBells.
And we've already got a working cloud service and app for iPhone and iPod Touch to serve up videos.
We've already started building the ThinkFit workouts library, with a select number of trainers. If you're a fitness professional interested in joining the ThinkFit training development community, go to thinkfit.com/trainers. But we still need to create one critical piece of the puzzle, the smart mount that securely holds your smartphone to the SmartBells and protects it from damage while in use.
We've contracted with ProtoQuick, a design and engineering firm in the San Francisco Bay Area, to design an incredibly clever mechanism that not only safely and securely mounts your smartphone to the SmartBells, it also holds almost any size phone, whether or not you use a protective case. We need your help to pay to finish the design for manufacture, for tooling, inventory, and assembly.
But before we ask you to back this project, I want to tell you why we're here on Indiegogo. There are 6 of us now working full-time on the SmartBells Genius project. We're designing user interfaces, writing code, pursuing patents, building sales channels, and developing relationships with trainers. All of these things take hard work and funding. The standard route would have us seeking new investors, taking time working with them, while sharing more of the value that we're building. Or instead, we can come here and have the Indiegogo community be our advisors, our financial backers, and most importantly, be part of our team. And we can keep developing Genius based on what makes sense to us, and to you, our supporters. This, I think, is the very spirit of crowdfunding. So if you believe in what we're doing, please help support this project and keep us moving forward. Let's start a movement together and start changing lives by making SmartBells Genius a reality. From all of us on the Genius team, thank you.